What comes to mind for me is Andrew Tate, myself, E-Man, MJ DeMarco himself, the author of this book, Ali Abdaal, Andrew Kirby. I know all these young guys who are literally younger than 30, and they're all millionaires. Now that you have like your characters, your people for each three, and you don't have to say this out loud, you don't have to be this asshole who tells, don't text your friend, oh, by the way, you're the sidewalker, haha, here's Hamza's video. Now that you know which person, just ask yourself truly, which person do you want to be more like when it comes to building wealth? Just choose. So how do you become a fast laner? There's a few principles to the kind of business that you need to build that will make you into a millionaire fast laner. There's 5, and they are sense, control, entry, need, time, and scale. Let me walk you through them. Control is whether or not you have control of the business and also the livelihood of it. If there's something with high control, a business with high control, that means that there's no one entity that can fuck you. If there's a business with low control, that means that there is some kind of entity, company, client who can ruin your life. What do you think YouTube is? Answer this right now. As a YouTuber, do I have high control or low control over my business? High or low? It's low, right? Because YouTube as a company can just ban me, and they've shown that they will do this. So I have low control over my business. That's a bad thing. Then there is entry. Entry refers to how hard it is to enter this business. Is it super hard? Which means that there's kind of like a moat around your business. You remember what a moat is in like history class? Like there'll be a castle and there'll be a moat which is dug out and filled with water or spikes or alligators, and that way it's like a defensive ring around your business. Entry is a moat. How hard is it to enter your business? As a YouTuber, how hard is it for another guy to just start making YouTube videos? Very easy. So in this case, we'll say that's a low entry, like it's a bad level of entry. How about need? How much of a need is there for this business? Think about the thing that you want to get into, or maybe YouTube. How much of a need is there?